Do you think young millionaires have some crazy secret to success that they're not sharing with anyone? Lucky for you, I'm going to investigate. The Forbes 30 Under 30 conference, a place where people that became millionaires under the age of 30 present, give you a bunch of valuable knowledge, play pickleball under the stars and do bar crawls and have block parties. I guess I'm going to that this year in a couple days. So what's in my investigative journalist bag? It's just a bag. It's just... okay. I'll do the best I can to put as many things in this video into the description as I can. Don't remember where I got all of my clothes, so some of them won't be in there. First off, I'm gonna go through my pockets because that's where everything starts. That didn't make any sense. AirPods. Case is really nice. You can attach it to a keychain and I never lose them. Minimalist wallet. Super minimal, obviously, because I don't like having bulky pockets. iPhone. Everyone has a phone. Next up, clothes. Because if I'm going to be hanging out with a bunch of millionaires, I gotta look the part, right? Pusheen shirt. Everything else is more professional, I swear. The program is 3.5 days, got about 4 sets of clothes. Next, we just got like a classic maroon Hensley tee, semi-professional-ish. Next, these are actually like really useful and they never wrinkle. You can get them on Amazon. Button-up shirts, kind of formal, but yeah, like I said, they never wrinkle. They're super comfortable, really cheap. I have a black one and I have a white one. I'll probably wear this to dancing stuff or something. A button-up, again, that also never wrinkles. See a trend here. I like to eliminate things that are annoying. Next, we got like a denim style button-up shirt. Those never go out of style. Finally, for the tops, we got this kind of textured sweater. And then just to be controversial, we have a People Over Profit hoodie, which I will wear in the airport. This is happening in Ohio, so I don't need my passport, just my driver's license. All right, next we got pants. I got this extremely comfortable pair of pants that I got in the Netherlands or Belgium. I can't remember which one. I wear those all the time. They're so comfortable. Then we got some beige slacks, white pants, black pants. So I'm just trying to keep it real simple here, right? Not trying to overcomplicate it. 4 pairs of socks, 4 pairs of underwear. No one's gonna see those at the conference, so that does not matter what I wear of those. Our next hats, a traditional Be Wild and Wonder cap, because this is a vibe. Drew House hat, Justin Bieber's brand, just because it's a vibe. Lastly, I haven't decided if I'm bringing this yet. I thought it'd be funny if I brought like a Balenciaga hoodie, but with like flannel on the outside. Undecided on that though. Accessories, Ray-Ban Metas. Obviously, these things are amazing. Honestly, in San Francisco, a lot of people wear them. They're just smart glasses that can do everything you would ever want them to do. Rocket book. About to throw up a review of this. It's just a notebook that you can write in forever. Get all these pages, an erasable pen, everything. Auto uploads to Google Drive when you scan it. MacBook, M1 Pro 16-inch, and headphones in case I need to do any editing or Netflix, which I probably won't. Small journal type thing because there's some things I want to keep secret from the internet. Most important thing, I talked about this in my regrets video, a massage gun. I'm never going anywhere without one of these. Ever. MacBook charger, obviously. 3-in-1 charging thing. So it has micro USB, USB-C, and lightning. And it extends and it retracts. Perfect for the airplane. And perfect for charging a bunch of things at the same time. Next we've got the power hub. So I'm not bringing the travel one because it's a little bulkier. But this one has 2 USB-As and 2 USB-Cs and charges really fast and is really small. Link for that will be in the description. Next, we got the DJI microphone, which I'm using right now, but there's 2 of them in case I want to film any YouTube videos while I'm there. Fast charging USB-C to lightning cord, because sometimes I want to charge my iPhone extremely quickly. Snacks for the road. It's just trail mix. Travel toothbrush, super small, super portable, doesn't get dirty because it has a case. Floss. Toothpaste. That's it. I'm just bringing a backpack, remember? The event's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be super fun. I thought it was gonna be really business, and it is. But there's a lot of partying involved, so that'll be really cool. Oh, one last thing. iPhone MagSafe charger / phone stand. Super useful. Anytime you're ever traveling, you never know when your phone might die. You won't have directions to get back to where you came from. So always bring one of these. That's what's in my backpack for Forbes 30 Under 30. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out. How do you guys like the lighting? Do you like the green? I was trying to make it like money themed. Okay.